Imagine a world where your thoughts are no longer private, where AI can translate your brain waves into actual words, and even images. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's happening, and it's far closer than you think. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing and terrifying breakthroughs in future tech: mind-reading AI. We'll explore how it works, who's building it, and what it could mean for the future of privacy, freedom, and humanity itself. And stick around until the end, because the real twist is that it's already being tested on humans. If you're fascinated by the future and how it's quietly reshaping our world, hit subscribe, because what I'm about to share could change the way you think. Literally. So how it works. The basic idea is surprisingly simple, but the execution is incredibly advanced. Researchers use neural interfaces, small devices that record brain activity, either from outside the skull or, in more extreme cases, from tiny implants placed directly into the brain. These signals, which look like random squiggles on a chart, are fed into an AI model trained to recognize patterns. Over time, the AI learns to match these brainwave patterns with specific words, images, or even emotions. In one experiment, scientists were able to watch a short film and then reconstruct a rough version of it using only the subject's brain activity. The question is, who's building it? The biggest name in the game? Elon Musk's Neuralink, a company aiming to merge human brains with AI. Then there's DARPA, the US military's secretive research arm, which has poured millions into developing non-invasive brain-computer interfaces for soldiers. And they're not alone. Companies in Japan, China, and Silicon Valley are racing to perfect this tech. Why? Because whoever controls the interface between your brain and the digital world controls the future. It could mean that, on the bright side, mind-reading AI could revolutionize medicine, helping stroke victims speak again, or allowing paralyzed patients to control devices with their thoughts. But here's the darker side. What happens when governments, corporations, or hackers gain access to your thoughts? Could your private memories be stolen? Could your opinions be predicted and manipulated? The line between science fiction and reality is disappearing, and fast. Here's the chilling twist. You might think this is decades away, but in 2024, a major breakthrough changed everything. Scientists at the University of Texas created an AI that could decode brain activity into text with 82% accuracy, without implants. All it required was a standard fMRI machine and some advanced AI models. In other words, you don't need a chip in your head for this to work anymore. So here's the real question. If the technology to read your mind already exists, who decides how it's used? And more importantly, how much of your mind is still truly yours? The future is coming faster than we think, and it might be time to start guarding not just our data, but our very thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Would you embrace this technology or fight to ban it? And if you want to see more future tech explained before it becomes reality, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because the next video might just blow your mind. Literally.